that shit on TNT. I stay by that water.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So I was thinking about it, and you know what would be super cool? I even went on Facebook. I went on OfferUp and some other websites and see if I can try and find one, but I could not find one. A right-hand dash instead of a left-hand dash. I was looking for a right-hand dash, and I was going to convert this to over there, but I couldn't find one. And if I ever do find one, I do want to do that. I always wanted a right-hand drive car. So I guess I'll get the rest of that harness pulled up in here and stretched out all the way across, and see if I can get those pedals out today. Right there, that one right there, it seems like that one, maybe that one up top too, is holding in the bracket, and seems like that is the only one. Maybe there is another one. I hope I don't have to take off this whole bracket, but I just want to take off the gas pedal. So that is what I'm about to try and do. Okay, so hang on. So there was this little pin, this little clamp right here. There was this little clip that actually was held on right here, and it has a little pin on the inside. I pushed that pin inside. First I took that off right there, but then I pushed that inside, the pin inside. Seems like it's one on the other side too. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but there is like a pin that's sticking out right there. And I think you got to pull that pin out, and then the rest of that should pull the pedal out. So yeah, this is that pin that I was talking about right here. So this pin sits inside of this hole right here. First you got to pull off that clamp. So yeah, the clamp holds down the edge of it. So the clamp holds down the edge of it right there, and then once you pull that clamp off, you can go to the other side and pull this pin out, and then the rest of that just falls out, just like that. Yeah, so this is the old pedal, and then this is the new pedal, the electronic pedal. So this is the pedal that we got to put it in, and then this is the one that we just took out. Alright, so I'm just going to use the factory mounting point right here. So I got the pedal up, I got a bolt and a nut in there, and I'm just gonna just drill that back up in there, and hopefully that would hold the gas pedal in. Alright, so we got the pedal in. It's held in, it's not going anywhere. My only thing is I might be bottoming out right here, so I might remove the carpets if I can give myself a little bit more space, or if not, I'll probably move it up to the next one. But I'm gonna leave it there for now and see what we think. So the clutch pedal would be kind of easy. I will be able to use, like, you see this mounting point right here? You probably can't see it, but this mounting point right here, I will be able to use it. It has 2 holes in it already cut. But the thing is, you see that right there goes to the slave. It goes to the slave, because I think this is the master. This is the master. So the piece that comes off and the hose goes to the slave, and I need to get it through a hole. I have one hole right there, but that hole is way too close to this bracket, and then I probably can use this hole right here, but it has something coming out of it. Let's look under the hood. See what I mean right there though? I ended up getting the nozzle part through, so I probably have to drill my own holes right there and another one on the other side to be able to hold the clutch up. That way the clutch doesn't move. And son of a guy, and he cut it out. I guess he couldn't get this part out of down there, but he cut it out. This is the only part that's cut on the whole motor. The holes to that. That sucks. Hopefully that doesn't run into a problem when it comes to cranking it, because I know it needs pressure in there. So I don't think so, but yeah. I'm pretty sure this is the gas pedal plug that goes right there. So boom, gas pedal is done. And the clutch would be done, but I don't have the proper tools to put a hole in there right now. The drill that I had worked perfectly for that right there, but my other drill, it busted on me, so I got to get another drill. But other than that, I mean, it's coming along all right. We got the gas pedal in. We got the gas pedal. Awesome. Even the key part too. This even I know, but I got it in anyways. I need to clean this car. Everything is everywhere, but this is I need to clean it. So I took all of the harness that was on the passenger side and I just wrapped it all in some tape. All of that's, none of that's going to be used right there. And then I just managed to go ahead and find a way to put everything else some kind of way. This is the key part and the windshield wiper part right here. The fuse box, I need to find some way to manage to put the fuse box in, because this is one of the most important parts where the fuses are. So I'll probably just find some way to pull it down here at the bottom. And these are all of the fuses that were in, all of those fuses were in this box right here. And this box was just, it was just big. And yeah, so I just took all of those fuses out, and now I can get rid of this big box. And the green one, I just need to put it back together because I cut it because I couldn't get it out. But hey, that's nothing. Other than that, these two wires right here are for the these two wires right here are for the ECU. And then I got the clutch pedal just mounted up. The gas pedal is in, and I think that would do it for right now. I need to get this steering wheel off too, because I need to get that key off. I just keep it because I think it keeps the steering wheel from locking, so I think I might have to keep that. But I guess that is where we will end at for now. Be sure to like the video, drop a comment down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.